In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Authenticator recovery code. If you've ever wondered where your Microsoft Authenticator recovery code lives, here's the key insight up front. It's not inside the Authenticator app, and there's nothing to find later. You either generated one in the past, or you'll create a new one now. Think of it as a one-time backup you must set up proactively. A recovery code is a 25-digit code that lets you regain access to your Microsoft account if you lose your phone, delete the Authenticator app, or otherwise can't complete two-step verification. It effectively bypasses 2FA in an emergency, which makes it incredibly powerful and worth setting up right away, then storing safely. Here's exactly how to get it. First, open a web browser and go to your Microsoft security page at account.live.com/proofs/manage additional. This is the official location for managing your sign-in and verification methods. Sign in to your Microsoft account as you normally do. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the section labeled Recovery Code. This is where Microsoft provides the option to create one. Click Generate a new code. When you do, Microsoft will display a brand new 25-digit recovery code on the screen. This is the only time you'll ever see it. Microsoft does not store it for later viewing, and there isn't a way to reveal a past code. Because of that, save or print it immediately while it's visible. You can download it as a file or print it to paper, whichever you'll be able to keep the most secure. Consider placing it in a trusted password manager or a locked offline location. Avoid leaving it in plain text on a device that syncs to shared locations. There are two critical rules to remember. First, you cannot view an old recovery code again. If you didn't save it, you'll need to generate a new one. Second, when you create a new code, the old one is automatically disabled. Only one recovery code works at a time, so treat the latest one as your single source of truth. To recap, go to the Microsoft security page, sign in, find recovery code, generate a new code, and save or print it right away. Keep it in a secure place you can actually access during an account emergency. Set it up once, store it properly, and you'll have a reliable safety net if your authenticator ever becomes unavailable.